Do you want to get unlimited leads and your business is just at start and you do not have money to pay for this? So this is the right video for you. In this video, I explain you how you can get unlimited leads for any niche, for any business. So let's get started. Here is the Google map and you can search about which business type you are searching for and in which location you want to get the leads. So we are here and we are going to search for the doctors, and we just write here doctors in Tampa, Florida, and this search give us all the doctor which are located in Tampa city. And first you need to load the whole page and the whole list. You will scroll down and you will come at the last. When you realize it's loading and there are no more leads are coming, so we will scrap all this data in just 1 second. And we just come to here. This is the extension which name is Instant Data Scraper. You can easily install this extension from the Google. You come here and write Instant Data Scraper extension. You just click upon, and from here you can click upon this, and from here you can add to Chrome very easily. And when you install this, you come here and pin this in the bar. It will come here. So when you reach here, simply click upon this, and this will open like this, and it will scrap your whole information in a raw list, and it will scrap all the leads data. You will download this from this button, click upon this, and it will download in your system. So we have the full list of this data, and now the task is need to clean the data and convert this in a proper format. So for this purpose, I have just created a n8n workflow, and that will filter out, extract data and filter out it and stored in a well arranged way in Google Sheet like this. And you can see I have extracted many doctors data, and we have their business name, their phone number and their websites. So here you can see I have scrapped many data, and this is free of cost, and I do not pay a single dollar for this. So how amazing this is. Just come to here and you need to execute this and upload your recently downloaded file. Here is our file, and we just click upon open, and in the background it will run and it will extract the leads and stored in the Google Sheet. So here you can see it has extracted the data, and here is our simple if statement which is checking if the number does not exist. It will put them in the false batch and it will not forward that lead, and only those which has phone number that come to our sheet, and it will stored in the Google Sheet. So here I am mapping the columns, and I am matched the records with the phone number. So every business has unique phone number. So from the phone number, I am controlling the duplication. So don't worry, your records will never duplicate in the sheet, and it is controlling from here the matching column which is phone, and that is unique for every business. So we get the unique results in our sheet in prepared. And here you just switch your cities and your address, and you can get all doctors which are located in the USA. So this is the simple and very easy way to get the leads without paying a single dollar. So thanks for watching. Use this workflow and this method to get leads for your business. So here is a small announcement. So here is our Skool community, and you will get this link from the description. So you can get all the assets from the video and access our complete course in AI automation and many other courses related to prompt engineering, AI video and image generation editing, and nano banana prompts, that is ready to use prompts and for your content creation. So you will join this community from the link in the description. So come here, join this community and learn unlimited skills in AI. So do not forget to like and subscribe.